What's up today, guys? We got another quick little install. You guys saw that we got the red Hot Boy mud flaps installed. So now we gotta add some little accent pieces to kind of make the car flow a little better with the red Hot Boy. So we're gonna show you guys real quick, sneak peek side markers in black and red. Got those from Amazon for like 10 bucks, I think. But let's start off with a little cold start. Alright, right now we're gonna head to the store, get some stuff real quick, and then we'll get to it. Guys, back from the store, just had to fuel up real quick the little Monsty, but then we'll get right back into the install right now. Alright, before we get into the install, I thought you guys might want to hear some turbo noises, or we'll see what you guys can hear. Quick little pull, but install in 3, 2, 1, go. Let me show you guys what I did right now. These were in a matte black. Kind of didn't really like it, I guess, so I went ahead and sprayed it with some clear, some gloss, and now they're all looking nice and shiny. That way it can match like more with the accent it already has, like the diffuser that's in gloss, and then pretty much I'm gonna do badges. They're gonna be in gloss black also, pretty much just so it can match the car better. So what we're gonna do is, let me show you guys real quick, take these off first. Take those off, just apply a little heat to them, give them a good pull. I'll show you guys everything, but apply some heat, give it a good pull. They're just stuck on there pretty much, and then take them off and put the new ones on, and we should be solid. All right, first thing first, apply heat, and then we'll try prying it off. Ta-da! And that's how you take that off. And then we're just gonna go ahead and pull off all the residue and install the other one, and we should be solid. Alright guys, as you can see, I got it nice and clean, and here we have the other one. Got it in that gloss black now. It's way better than that matte. I was gonna order gloss black ones, but I was like, I already have these, so might as well just do a little DIY paint job on them. So peeled the tape off, and then make sure you line these up. There's little tabs, so you can't go wrong. Line it up with the tabs. Boom. That's it. Just press on it, make sure it sticks on there. Alright, and there you guys go. That's pretty much the final product, and you guys can see how it goes way better with that the red Rally Armor mud flaps. Nice contrast to the car. Got the red on red right there, red on black. So we're going with the red and black theme for pretty much the whole car. So you guys can expect more black or red things for the car. Alright guys, that was a quick little install. Check it out. Alright, I already did the other side. I didn't want to bore you guys with the same thing, just taking it off. Use the heat gun, peel it off, use a little prior tool like I did. It's not that hard, but yeah, just go ahead and do that. You'll look at that. It just just adds that little extra flair kind of needed. But yeah, we have a few more things coming. A really big thing coming, probably like a couple months, maybe yeah, like 2 months maybe. Big Big thing for the car. Little hint, but there you guys go. Alright, actually quick for one time, little install. Alright, catch you guys on the next one. Give it a big thumbs up, share it, comment if you like it. I like it a lot. It just kind of makes it stand out a little bit more. But anyways, subscribe, please subscribe. We're gonna do a giveaway at 500 subscribers, so tell everybody to subscribe, and we'll let you guys know the details on that giveaway pretty soon. But that'll do it for today, guys. So peace out. Like always, keep improving.